Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Edifier WH500 headphones. So to perform the reset, you have to basically first of all activate your headphones. So as you can see, in my case, I'm currently connected with my phone. It means that they are turned on. And we have to find the right headphone. On this side you can find the marking. And we have to focus on two buttons. Let me catch focus on it. Okay, right now we got it. On the volume up and the volume down buttons. We have to click and hold both buttons together for like 6 seconds. So let's do this right now. Click and hold plus and the minus together, and take a look on this indicator also. As you can see, it was blinking like 5 times quickly on the blue, and it means that we successfully restore all default settings. And right now the indicator is blinking blue, and it means that they are in the pairing mode. Right now we don't have our previously connection. We can just pair them one more time. So it means that we successfully restore all settings. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.